Hey everybody, Ryan here in the Weather Center. Heads up for your Tuesday, we have a wind advisory that'll be in effect, a northwest wind that may gust at times 40, perhaps up to 50 miles per hour. This is up for all of the state and parts of New Hampshire as well. We usually can handle a northwest wind better than we can a stronger south or southeast wind. So hopefully any issues are isolated in nature, and also at this point, a lot of the leaves have been stripped from the trees and the trees are starting to go into more of a dormant mode heading into the winter. But that said, some branches and limbs may come down. Looks like the strongest winds will probably be midday, early afternoon, and then they'll start to subside tomorrow night into Wednesday. However, we have another windy day this week, and that's on Thursday. Gusts on Thursday could approach 40 miles per hour as well.